Sitting for too long? 5 exercises to reverse ill effects of prolonged sitting. The adverse effects of too much sitting are increased blood pressure, higher risk for type 2 diabetes, excess body fat around the waist, high level of bad cholesterol, increase in muscular imbalance leading to a musculoskeletal disorder. Can we reverse effects of too much sitting? To reverse the effects of too much sitting on our bodies, we need to increase our energy expenditure throughout the day by exercising and reducing the time of prolonged sitting. 5 exercises that can help reverse adverse effects of excessive sitting and that can be easily incorporated during your working hours. 1. Push-ups. Benefits. Push-ups improve upper body strength, posture, and activates core muscles. Seated spine twist. Benefits. This improves spinal mobility, stretches your chest, hip, middle, and lower back, and activates your oblique muscles. Seated knee pull-ins. Benefits. This exercise strengthens your core muscles and erector spinae muscles, improves posture, and decreases back pain. Chair squats. Benefits. The chair squats strengthen your glutes, hamstring, quadriceps muscles and improve flexibility of your hip and knee joint. Heel raise. Benefits. This strengthens your calf muscles, which are gastrocnemius and soleus, improves circulation especially in the population with chronic vein disease, and ankle stability.
Mana Citi vascular center lo mana subscriber ayi undi afford cheyani patient ku మనం ఎవ్రీ మంత్ ఒక ఫ్రీ సర్జరీ చేస్తున్నాము. సో మీరు చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ఉన్న స్క్రీన్ షాట్ని కింద ఇచ్చిన వాట్సాప్ నంబర్కి షేర్